We will learn how to modify the string data type in Python. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In order to make our examples, I will create a string variable. I use commas and spaces in variable. We will soon learn how to eliminate the gaps. We will also learn how to separate string variables with commas or periods. I am printing the variable to the console screen using the print command. We can capitalize the lowercase letters in the string variable using the upper function. We can make all letters smaller using the lower function. We can remove the spaces in the variable using the strip function. Sometimes we need to change the letters in the string variable. We can do this with the replace function. We will send two parameters to the replace function. E will be replaced by A. If you look closely at the output, you will understand what the function does. Sometimes we need to separate string objects. We can use the split function for splitting. By specifying index, we can reach a specific object in the list. Let's get to index 0 and first. Note that the 0th index represents the first member of the list. Sometimes we want to use split and strip functions together. There is a method for doing this in Python. I will create a variable. I'm syncing with the strip function. First, let's print the txt variable to the screen. I want you to see the difference. Let's print the second variable to the screen. We separated it from a comma. We also used the strip function. As we just did, we can access list data with index. Let's also access the second member. We learned how to modify the string data type in Python. Thanks for watching. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.